Hello, here I will show you how to install Cartify WordPress theme inside our WordPress dashboard. Before proceeding further, make sure that you are already download the theme package from themeforest. If you haven't done this already, go to themeforest.net and click sign in at the top right of the page. Fill the detail and click sign in. Once you are logged in, move your cursor over your profile name and click Downloads from the drop-down. Here you can see the list of all purchases you have already made through this themeforest account. Just scroll to Cartify theme and click Download. Before start downloading, it will ask you for different options to choose from. Option 1 is main theme package, which includes all supporting files along with the Cartify theme. Option 2 is installable WordPress theme, which can be uploaded directly to WordPress dashboard. In this case, I choose download all files and documentations. Once download complete, you can extract package and move forward to install WordPress theme. For that, go back to WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance Themes. From the left side of menu, here you can see the list of all installed themes from your WordPress site. Now you can simply click Add New and click Upload Theme to install our new Cartify theme. Now you can simply drag and drop the zip file named Cartify from the package and click install. Once the upload is complete, you can click activate theme.